Well, this is an event about digital continuity and how you digitalize your manufacturing in order to achieve manufacturing excellence. This forum leads to the idea of sharing best practices among the camLine ecosystems between the camLine user and share best practices. The user forum is to invite our customers from around the globe, and that's very important. It's not only a German or European event. We invite customers from US, from Asia, from Japan, who will come and will present their results, their outcome, the lesson learned, the best practices they have on the camLine product, and will also be available for dedicated meetings and sessions with one-to-one if that's possible. To the camLine forum that will happen in September 11 and 12 in Dresden. So you can register anytime, and that you can do online on the camLine website.